Is reinforcement learning a good candidate for achieving general artificial intelligence, or and are there any other good candidates around?
So to me, the answer is no, but it can teach us some valuable gaps that can be filled by other methods. So I believe that simulation is different than the real world. So if you could simulate the real world, then deep RL, so any kind of reinforcement learning with deep representations would be able to achieve something incredible. But to me, simulation is very different than the real world. So you have to interact in the real world. And there you have to be much more efficient with learning. And to be more efficient with learning, you have to have ability to automatically construct common sense. Like common sense reasoning seems to include like a huge amount of information that's accumulated over time. And that feels more like programs than functions. I like how like Ilyas Askira talks about deep learning learns functions, approximators. Deep RL learns an approximator for policy or whatever, but not programs. It's not learning a thing that's able to sort of, that's essentially what reasoning is a program. It's not a function. So I think no. But it'll continue to, one, inspire us, and two, inform us about what the true gaps are. I think the ability to, but I'm so human-centric, but I think the approach of being able to take knowledge and put it together, sort of building into more and more complicated pieces of information, concepts, being able to reason in that way. There's a lot of methodologies that old school sort of, that falls under the ideas of symbolic AI, of doing that kind of logic reasoning, accumulating large knowledge bases. That's going to be an essential part of general intelligence. But also the essential part of general intelligence is the Roomba that says, I'm intelligent, F you, if you don't believe me. Like a very confident, like, because right now, like, Alexa is very nervous, like, oh, what can I do for you? But once Alexa says, like, you know, is upset that you would like turn her off or treat her like a servant or say that she's not intelligent. That's when intelligence starts emerging. Because I think humans are pretty dumb, and in general we're all like intelligence is a very kind of relative human construct that we've kind of convinced each other of, and once AI systems are also playing that game of creating constructs and that human communication, that's going to be important. But of course, for that, you still need to have pretty good, witty conversation. And for that, you need to do the symbolic AI, I think.